Hello and welcome to Northeast Media Hub, the fastest growing digital media platform. I am Adalbert Khar with the latest Hub news. Be informed, be alert. Speaking at the Golden Jubilee celebration of Mendi Pathar College, the oldest and only college in Meghalaya's North Garo Hills, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Wednesday said this year the state government has sanctioned rupees 100 crore for improving the overall infrastructure in about 200 government LP schools. He said the government has been spending over rupees 2,000 crore annually for the education sector and lamented that it was still not enough. He further informed that the government is identifying 300 additional schools which will be taken up for improvement and the funds are being mobilized for the same. The Meghalaya CM informed that the government has recently supported 9 colleges in the state under People's College Scheme and have initiated programs like Community College and Model College to further ensure that students get an opportunity for higher education. Speaking at the Synod College Shillong on the occasion of Rabon Singh Kharsuka 111th death anniversary, Meghalaya Assembly Speaker Metba Lyngdoh has once again demanded the inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the list of languages under the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, assuring to take up the matter with the centre once again. The event was attended by Rajya Sabha MP Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi, writers, teachers and the great-grandchildren of Babu Rabon Singh Kharsuka. The event also saw a panel discussion on the topic Halor Usinyang Jong Upaheb Rabon Singh Kharsuka. A wonderful all-round effort saw Meghalaya trounce Sikkim by 9 wickets in their opening men's under-25 State A Trophy 50 over plate group match in Guwahati on Wednesday. Meghalaya won the toss and chose to field, a decision from Captain Abhishek Gupta that proved to be the right one. Meghalaya will next face Nagaland on November 20. Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma visited the residence of martyred Assam Rifles Jawan Suman Swargyari on Wednesday and paid homage by placing a wreath at his portrait at his home in Buxar district's Thekera Kuchi, Kanhibari village. Sarma met Swargyari's family members and handed over a cheque of rupees 50 lakh. The state government has also decided to reconstruct the road of the village and name after the brave martyred Suman Swargyari. The Assam Chief Minister further assured the family all the help from the government alongside announcing a stadium to be built at the local school where the soldier had studied. An Assam police officer was caught red-handed by the sleuths of Directorate of Vigilance and Anti-Corruption, Assam, while taking bribe on Wednesday. The corrupt Assam police has been identified as Sudhanya Bhattacharjee, who has been serving as a sub-inspector at Hailakandi police station. A team of Directorate of Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Assam carried out the operation on the basis of a complaint and caught the police sub-inspector red-handed. The incident has brought to light the allegations that many corrupt police officers take bribes from common people who approach them for some work. Laisram Angam Chand Singh has been appointed as the new chairman of Manipur Public Service Commission for a period of 6 years or until he attains the age of 62 years, whichever is earlier. According to an office memorandum issued by Chief Secretary Rajesh Kumar, the Manipur Public Service Commission will govern its pay and allowances and other conditions of service under the MPSC Regulations 1972 as amended from time to time. Singh is a former Deputy of Comptroller and Auditor General CAG and an alumnus of St. Stephen's College, Delhi University. Mizoram's COVID-19 count reached 129,845 on Wednesday as 459 new cases were reported, which is 152 less than the previous day. The death toll rose to 467 as 4 more people have succumbed to the infection in the last 24 hours. However, the single-day recovery was lower than new cases as only 250 people were discharged from various COVID-19 care centres in the last 24 hours. The fresh cases were reported from across all 11 districts, with Aizawl registering the highest at 174, followed by Lunglei 67 and Champhai 56. At least 133 children were among the newly infected people. A student of LKG and 5 years old Priyam Sarma from Gyan Jyoti Academy, Gogamukh, received the India Book of Record by singing national songs of 7 countries in just 5 minutes in their respective languages. He has made the entire Gogamukh region proud by receiving the India Book of Record. Unlike other children, with much enthusiasm, he could sing in 5 minutes the national songs of 7 countries. The countries include India, Bhutan, Nepal, Japan, Sri Lanka, England and America. He was granted the title Maximum Country's National Anthem sung by a kid in 5 minutes by their India Book of Records. Thank you for listening to Hub Podcast. For latest news and updates, follow us on www.hubnetwork.in. Download Hub News app in your mobile from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. For promotion and publicity, write to us at info@hubnetwork.in. Thank you. Kublesh Shibon, Mithela.